Hey, what's up, everyone? It's DJ here at Real E-Bikes again today, and we're gonna show you this little guy here that we opened up, and we had to change out this little adapter that you charge your battery with. As you can see, it's just like the regular little port that comes with most chargers that has this, this type of end to it here. You see there, and it connects into there whenever you're charging your battery for your e-bike. We had one that went to toast. So as you can see here, this one got damaged. We had to pull it out today and replace it with this new one that we found here. And as you can see, I had to go in and cut the wires and put them all back together on this new little adapter. So we're going to let this dry, let the silicone dry and the glue dry to overnight to let it set up, and hopefully tomorrow we'll give this a little test run and we'll see how it goes. All right, there it is.